So they say you should save the best for last, but today on What's in the Shop, we are not going to do that. We are going to show you the best first because it is inarguably awesome. This, of course, is Dr. M3's new Lamborghini Revuelto. So if you guys aren't familiar with Doc, he's become a good friend of ours over the years. Check out his YouTube channel. He's got a much larger following than us. Really, really awesome cars. This car, he just got this thing last week. He's been waiting on it for a very long time. So congrats, Cody, on the new car. He had it down at the Vintage Grand Prix showing it off, and now it's here for paint protection film, a ceramic coating, and window tint. Some other exciting things about this car is that this is the same color as the first Lambo that we ever worked on for Doc. So he had a car that he called Purple Monte. It was a Huracan Performante in this same color. Absolutely gorgeous. So we love it. We love Doc. We thank him for that. Also, traditional Lamborghini naming scheme, Revuelto, is a Spanish fighting bull that fought in the 1880s in Barcelona. So, little piece of information for you. Things that make cars like this fun. By the way, there's a whole video on this car that's going to be on our channel, so subscribe if you haven't already, but stay tuned for this video. We're going to take you behind the scenes of what really goes into a wrap and a coating like this. Things like this rear diffuser, every inch of that carbon fiber is going to get protected. Thankfully, we work with the best in the business from xpel. We've got amazing patterns. I just love this car. I'm a Lambo guy, so I'm drooling over this thing every day. There's no engine cover at all. It's just wide open, which I think is really freaking cool. I love it. I could just talk about that all day. We've got a Golf R on the lift, another cool car, very fast. It's the king of the hot hatches. I hope they keep those alive. Over here on the ground, Tyler's working on a reassembly of a different Volkswagen. This one got a vinyl wrap, satin black. We also did a chrome delete on the side moldings. So these were silver before. So it's really murdered out. This thing was already tinted and stuff when it came in, but we did the wrap and it's going home today. It looks awesome. Right behind that is a Hellcat Red Eye jailbreak. Mine's in the wash bay behind it, so you know I love Hellcat Red Eyes. I wish I could have got this color when I was looking originally. But yeah, this was only available on the jailbreak set. They didn't do the Hellcat with the, I think it's called Sublime Grain. Yeah, so this one got a full 10 mil paint protection film wrap. So it's the thickest material on the market. It previously had some paint protection film installed before by somebody else. The customer said it was the dealership, and it was really pretty bad. So we took that off, we redid it. It's ceramic coated as well. I just got some brand new wheels put on these. The Brass Monkey ones, I guess, did not come on it, and he got those coated also, so those look excellent. I love the way coatings make a matte finish look. It's just a hair glossier, but still maintains the matte look. It's really deep. Caleb's cleaning my car up. We've got some people on vacation this week, so we're kind of light in some areas because we don't have people to do the work. It's that time of year. C8, this one got paint protection film on the front end as well as the rocker panels. It's getting a ceramic coating next for our good friend Billy. In front of that is a Lincoln Navigator. This car got all sorts of things. Window tint, I believe, paint protection film on the front end, and then we did a chrome delete on all the chrome around the windows as well as the roof rails. Tyler did a really great job on that, and same with the back bumper. And these. Lots of vinyl on this. So really murdered this thing out too. We wanted to leave some chrome accents, but we're doing a lot more chrome deletes and vinyl work now. So previously we were kind of getting out of that, we're back in. And we've got a very special motorcycle here. This belongs to one of our employees. Chuck helps build our police cars over at our other location. We do a lot of emergency vehicle upfitting. Sometimes we talk about it here, sometimes we don't, but he's constantly doing that. Anyhow, he traded his motorcycle for a new one, and it's a really beautiful bike, and he's really excited for that, so congratulations on the new bike, Chuck. And this car is in to have the back window tinted. Back when we used to do leather interiors, we installed a leather interior in this many, many years ago. Terrell actually did, and it's still holding up pretty good, so we're impressed with that, but we don't do that anymore. All right, outside we have a Raptor. In my opinion, this was the best generation of the Raptors. I don't know if it's just because it's when they first came around, it was such a cool new truck or what. I love the V8 in these. This one's getting a hood graphic replaced. And the Mercedes beside it, I believe, got a polish. Did a quick cleanup on the interior as well. And then over here, the only other thing we've got is a Dodge Hornet, and this belongs to my personal assistant, Becca, and her husband, Dean, AKA Flat Glass Man. They just picked this thing up. We tinted the windows on it. And now they're considering doing a stealth wrap. So help us talk them into doing the stealth wrap. We always like stealth. Let's see what's happening in Gibsonia and Miami.
What's up, guys? Nathan here today with the Flat Glass team. We're over at the Yawk Intermediate Middle School finishing up a security film project. All the film has been laid. Dean and Nick are going to be installing the attachment system, and we're going to roll on this for the next couple days and get this job finished up.
What's going on, guys? Before we take a walk in the back, I wanted to remind you that this Saturday, August 10th from noon to 3 is our Gibsonia Customer Appreciation Day. Stop by, we're going to have some cool cars and some food. It's going to be a great time. But let's take a walk in the back. In the showroom is a brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Tremor. As you can see, due to the glossy nature of the paint, this just got polished and ceramic coated. It's got our 4-year Fusion Plus coating. We also tinted the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint. Back in the shop for its annual maintenance checkup is this 2023 BMW M3. This is a really cool spec. Probably one of my favorite vehicles we ever have gotten here in the shop. As you can see, the interior is beautiful. We got the interior coated, did a full body wrap on the vehicle and coated it. It's back in first maintenance checkup. In the tint bay, we have 2 vehicles. First up is actually in for the works here. This is our full wrap of the week. It's getting our full body 8mm paint protection film. We're tinting the 2 front windows to match the factory tint, and then coating the entire vehicle in our 4-year coating. And over here is the 2024 Suburban. We got Cole doing his thing on the front 2 windows here. This is also getting 20% fronts to match the factory tint. Ready to go home, here's this 2024 Toyota Land Cruiser. This got our track package paint protection film. We also tinted the sunroof of this vehicle to help eliminate heat coming in and burning passengers inside the vehicle. Next in line for some paint protection film was this 2024 Golf R. This one is in for our full front paint protection film. We got 2 more vehicles in the back, also in for paint protection film. Firstly is this brand new WRX. This is in for a modified full front. We're doing the front bumper, the full hood, and the 2 side view mirrors. Yesterday we tinted the side windows and the back window. Next up is the 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This will be in the shop here for the next week or 2. We're kind of chipping away at this thing. It's getting a full front paint protection film and 4-year ceramic coating. Outside and ready to head home is this brand new 2024 BMW M240i. This was in for our full front paint protection film, and we also tinted the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% tint. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys Saturday.
Hey guys, it's Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. So today we have here is a Ford F350. We're doing the full windshield tint in 55%. So as you can see, here's Alfredo. He's prepping the material and cutting it through our system that we do for every car. It's an Audi S7. We're doing a full front clip and a full ceramic coating on the vehicle. As you can see, it still is a little wet. We just washed it. We're doing the prepping process. It's important for the vehicle to be squeaky clean before we lay any PPF on. So here's Amari. He's just getting the car ready to start working on it. Here is a Tesla Model Y. We are doing a full PPF wrap and full tint in ceramic. As you can see, we already laid the tint down. This guy wanted 5% all around and 55% on the windshield.
That's all we have for this week, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. We'll see you next week.